So there we were, in my friend Dave's garage, setting the stage for our big break into internet fame with the Sugar Slide Shuffle. Armed with a boombox, a tripod, and an absurd amount of powdered sugar, we were convinced we'd concocted the next viral dance craze. As we got into position, Dave insisted the sugar sprinkle would add the perfect pop to our performance. But as we began our routine, tragedy struck. Sarah, our designated sugar fairy, sneezed with the force of 1,000 pepper shakers. The sugar clouded the room, and before we knew it, we were all involuntarily flailing in a chaotic, sugar-fueled dance. We stumbled outside, coughing and laughing, only to find our bewildered neighbors capturing the spectacle on their phones. In the midst of our sugar-induced slapstick, Dave gasped, "Well, at least we know what makes it a powdered performance." And